So this is a short tutorial on how to use Destiny, our library card catalog, to find our electronic books, our ebooks. So if you don't have the link, you just go up to your favorites bar and you click on bluntk12.org bookmarks. Then you go down and click on Destiny Library. And then you want to find the Rockford Elementary School, which is down here. And it'll bring you to our Destiny Card Catalog Library homepage. And this is what it looks like. And hopefully you've used the link and it's brought you here. So the first thing you want to do is make sure down here in location it says Rockford Elementary School. Then on material type, you want to change that to ebook, electronic book or ebook. See how it has that? Then I'm going to bring my cursor up here. We'll click on that, and then I'm just going to hit my enter button on my keyboard. And it's going to think for a second, and then it's going to produce a list of all of the ebooks. And you can look at this list and pick from which one you want to look at, or you want to narrow the search down, or you already know what you want to look for. You go back to this. So I want to look for an animal book. And then I'm going to type animals in my find bar, or my search bar. Then I'm going to click on subject, making sure this is Rockford Elementary School, an electronic book there or ebook, and it produces me a shorter list. Now, make sure it has that E right there. And then to open it, to read one, you just click open. And it will open up whichever company it is that the ebook is from. In this case, Nocturnal Animals is from Capstone. All right. And that's how our ebooks work. So if you have any questions, reach out and let me know. And there's all sorts, guys. So here we have some nonfiction ones. And like here, there's a Superman one you can open. It's a capstone book too. So it's the same way. And you can read it. But there are all sorts here. And all you have to do is click that open button and you'll be able to read them.